Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. Alright, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start putting our hands on our hips. We're gonna rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. Alright, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Kanye. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. Now, looking at this wall here, we're almost finished. We almost are discovering the mystery of this wall so we can get out of this cave. So, we're going to do all the moves in order. Make sure you guys follow along, do them with me, okay? All right, everyone together. Horse stance, fighting stance, flying side kick, good. Scissor axe kick, good. Superman punch, spinning hook kick. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. Nothing seems strange this time. Oh, is that a banana? That banana looks a little bit rotten. Looks a little weird. Dojo, don't eat it. Dojo, don't eat it. What are you doing, Dojo? Oh my goodness, you guys. What happened to Dojo? Ah, why is he attacking us? All right, guys, well, hopefully we can snap Dojo out of this. Okay, everyone hands up fighting stance. Awesome, all right, Dojo's gonna throw some bananas at us. We gotta duck underneath so we don't get caught like him. Ready? Everyone duck. Good duck. Good duck. Good duck. Awesome, good. All right, let's practice some punches. Ready? We're gonna do a triple jab, 3 jabs. Ready? Everyone say it with me. Let's say jab, jab, jab. Good, go. Jab, jab, jab. Ready, go. Jab, jab, jab. Good, go. Jab, jab, jab. Good, good, awesome. All right, let's practice some of the kicks that we learned. Let's practice scissor axe kick. Ready, scissor axe kick. Good, scissor axe kick. Good, scissor axe kick. Good job. Oh, he's gonna try to squish us. We gotta make sure we hujin forward so he doesn't squish on us from behind. Ready? And ready, let's go up chin first. Up chin. Good, nice. Oh, he's gonna come at us. Ready, hujin. Good, ready, up chin. Good, ready, hujin. Good, up chin. Good, hujin. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's practice some kicks this time. We're gonna practice a flying side kick. Ready? And then fighting stance, flying side kick. Nice, good job. Hands up, fighting stance, flying side kick. Good, good. One more. Ready? Flying side kick. Good, awesome, good. Uh-oh, Dojo's gonna throw some scratches at us. Let's hujin back, and as soon as we hujin, we're gonna fire a Superman punch right back at him. Okay, ready? And on hujin. Superman punch. Nice, good. Hujin. Superman punch. Good job. Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. Oh, he's gonna throw a lot of bananas at us. So what we gotta do is we gotta hold the horse stance and make sure none of them hit our head, okay? All right, everyone together, horse stance. Don't get hit by the bananas. Don't get hit, don't even come up, don't do it. Don't risk it, don't risk it. Good, and relax, awesome, good. How can we help those who snap out of this, you guys? What can we do? You guys have any ideas? Huh? Give them a real banana? Okay, let's hope this works. All right, guys, let's go and give this real banana to Dojo. Hopefully, he'll look and snap out of it. Ah, there we go. Hey, buddy, are you okay? You don't remember what happened? Well, that was pretty scary. Okay, let's avoid purple bananas from now on. If you ever see a purple banana, I wouldn't eat it. Something might be wrong with it, okay? Good job, you guys. Awesome, very good work today, everybody. Now, let's take a look at our progress so far. Okay, so we've got horse stance, flying side kick, scissor axe kick, Superman punch, spinning hook kick, and then there's some mystery move. I still don't know what it is. Well, maybe next week I'll do some research and we'll find out what that move is. We'll see if there's any clues based on the other moves that we've done. Okay? Hope you guys have an awesome week. Face here. Tariye? Kenya? Good job, you guys. See you guys later. Awesome job, you guys. Now, we're going to go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in. Just like this. Pulling your toes back. And then reaching up for the sky. And then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, you can't touch your toes. It's okay. Go as far as you can. Keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this. You're going to start rotating your ankle really slowly. Okay, rotating really slowly. I'm going to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Now we're going to go the other way now. Ready? I'm going to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I want to say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg one more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here, and we're going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now flip this leg over to the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. I'm gonna say hana, dur, set, net, Toss it. Good. Now go the other way. I'm gonna say hana. 둘, 셋, 넷. Toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? Everyone say hana. 둘, 셋, 넷. Awesome. Very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? Everyone say hana. 둘, 셋, 넷. Awesome. Awesome job, you guys. All right. Now next one we're gonna do. We're gonna have our feet up right in the center, just like this. Good. Go and flap your wings a little. Flap it out a little bit. Good. Nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome work. Okay. Now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good. We're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee. Okay. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side. Keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. Now this time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together. Good. Looking up to the ceiling. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now everyone go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good. Now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrist. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. Everyone say 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Nice. Awesome job, you guys. Everyone give me a high five. Awesome. Very good work today. We're gonna go and stand up. 차렷. Good. Kanye. Awesome. Awesome job today, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.